This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Beautiful condo for occupancy. 2-bedroom, 2-bath top-floor condo in downtown Sarasota. Step into your open-concept great room area with floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors to the balcony and porcelain tiled floors throughout. Entertain from the kitchen featuring imported contemporary Italian cabinetry with Quart countertops, Hansgrohe plumbing fixtures, Jenn-Air suite of appliances, contemporary range hood, and gourmet gas cooking. Enjoy a split-bedroom plan that includes a spa-inspired master en suite. The outdoor balcony overlooking Burns Court allows for gas grilling. Each condominium includes a private covered parking space and a secured climate-controlled storage unit, heated community pool, security, and camera system. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.